Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are learning English together. Let's begin. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you.
Leo is waiting. The house is very quiet. Today is the big day, but he feels a little lonely. Mom and Dad are at the hospital.
I hate this. I hate these blocks.
Leo is worried. Will things be different now? Then Dad comes home with a surprise. Leo, Dad says, you are a big brother now.
Leo, come here, sweetie. Give your old man a hug. It's okay, Leo. Everything is going to be just fine. I promise.
Leo isn't lonely anymore. He is a helper. He is a teacher. He is the best big brother in the world.
Leo, sweetie, come here.
Leo walks on tiptoes. Shh! He sees a tiny pink bundle. It is baby Maya. She is so small. She reaches out and holds Leo's finger. A new friend is here.
Let's make sure the blanket is nice and smooth for the baby.
All smooth, Daddy. And look, the sun wakes up to say good morning. Time for new adventures.
How about you? Do you have a brother
I'm gonna be
or a sister?
big brother.
Tell us in the comments.
That's amazing, Leo.
We're so excited.
Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you.